Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something many people get confused about, the difference between an influencer and a creator. Both are very popular terms in the digital world, but they are not exactly the same. So let's break it down in a simple way. First, let's start with the word influencer. An influencer is someone who has the power to influence people's opinions, decisions, or buying habits. They usually have a big audience on social media and brands approach them to promote products or services. For example, a fashion influencer might promote clothing brands, and their followers may buy the same because they trust that influencer. On the other hand, a creator is someone who mainly focuses on content creation. They may or may not have a huge following, but their value comes from their creativity, skills, and unique content. A creator can be a YouTuber making educational videos, an artist designing digital art, or even someone writing blogs. So, the key difference is, influencers focus on influence and audience reach, while creators focus on content and creativity. Both are important in the digital world, but their roles are slightly different. If you like this explanation, don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.